What's going on, guys? It is time for roll racing. Yeehaw. Ooh. So we decided we'd trailer the ute down there and race it and trailer it home. Two reasons. Firstly, it's not really that proven yet. We haven't done much work in it yet. We're not sure that it's gonna live. We don't know if it's gonna have problems, and it's just not worth getting stuck down there if something happens to the ute. Secondly, it's about 1 billion degrees today, and the Land Cruiser's got icy cold AC, and the ute doesn't have AC yet. So yeah, trailering it down. It's the smarter option. Righto, get our camera gear sorted out. A lot of camera stuff that I haven't gone through in a long time. Found some helmets, haven't used in a long time. And we've got a very important little stop to make on the way down there, which is very exciting. It's gonna be skit. So anyway, you'll see it in another video though. Righto guys, we made our stop and I bought it. So hope you're looking forward to that in the next episode, because I've got to tell you, I'm so excited about what just happened. But anyway, here we are, roll racing, yeehaw. Alrighty boys and girls, we've made it. I can't believe how freaking hot it is still. It's 10 to 5 and this sun is just burning the crap out of us. It's wild how hot it is. Anyway, we'll go for a bit of a pit walk, see what's around. Like we said in the last video guys, we don't really expect this thing's gonna place or do any good, especially in this day and age at events like this, at roll racing. The competition is wild. Talking about like 2,000 plus horsepower at all fours from things like R35 GTRs and Lamborghini Huracans and stuff like that. Like it's a wild event this day and age, but we just want to get out and have some fun in this thing, which we're definitely going to do. Track walk, Kiwi. Whoa. Big sill. Oh, that smell. It's been so long since I even smelled something like that. Oh. Yeah, boy. Is that a Supra? That's sick. Whoa, we've got a big purple 383 VY here. So we actually yesterday in preparation, Rex redid all the brakes in the VY to get all the brakes working and stuff so you can come roll racing. So be interested to see how this thing goes. It's a pretty staunch little unit. So for those of you who are new here or don't know, we did build this thing. It's a LS1 base 383 stroker with a Harrier 2300. Made about 670, I think, horsepower at the wheels, through a turbo 409 inch on 98, so she's a bit of a weapon. Anyway, you get that on the big jobs, don't you? Oof. Ooh. Got the longs on, sacrifice the Crocs. You
get that on the big jobs.
Yeah, you gotta get it on the big jobs. And this thing's all don't be suspicious. We thought we'd come here and pop the bonnet so everyone can have a look at what we got.
Sneaky one on you.
Yeah, everyone can come see exactly what we got right here. Ooh, Stinger. It's a Kia Stinger.
What's a Stinger?
Ooh. 34 sedan. Plenty of like Audi RSs and stuff around, which makes sense because those things are freaking quick.
Don't touch it, just blow on it.
Get them breath tested.
Zeros.
Have a good night.
Yeehaw.
Will do, cheers.
Always breath hooded. I've been breath hooded every time I've been here for Friday night drifts as well.
Yeah! Well, this will be interesting. See how she goes.
Look at us out here in one of our cars doing car things at
Having
QR.
fun stuff.
It's been bloody years since we did anything like this. And an old Yeller of all things. The old ute that both of us have daily driven at some point for some amount of time.
Enough with whoever.
Alright, so we're up with Matty in the big bad VY tonner.
we did struggle for traction quite a bit.
Yes. Yes. Wonder how much hotter we can get these tyres and get them to hook up.
That thing's gonna last.
So, who'd have bloody thought, but we do have some issues with traction.
What are you gonna do?
Oh well. How's this Supra?
It's pretty clean.
Thing's sick. Yeehaw.
You tell me what 40 is.
Yeah, right.
So yeah, we definitely gonna need some decent radials, I think.
Definitely need some attention paid to these traction issues. But still not doing too bad.
Ah, it's still holding its own. I mean, it's not quite as funny as the Cruiser holding its own, but
Yeah, but still.
still, this is fun. Throwing a bit of timing at it.
Bit of page up.
See how it goes. So as we thought, certainly not setting the world on fire, but considering the traction issues the Rex is having, it's doing pretty well. It's holding its own, really. It's not making heaps of power either, so it's not too bad. It's having a lot of fun though. But Rex checked the logs. He left the dongle in at that time out and just logged a heap of it. And yeah, IATs are through the roof. We're looking at like nearly 70 degrees IAT.
Great.
So at like 70 degrees IAT, there's only about 5 degrees of timing in it, but still not knocking. So there's no hints of knock, even at 5 degrees at 70 degrees of IAT. So Rex just decided to throw a bit of timing into it and just see what it does now. So.
So yeah, she's pretty twitchy. When you get sideways like that, it's real sensitive to your input. Well, this one's pretty easy because it's got a
Righto guys, had a fun night. Again, not going to set the world on fire with that thing, but it was just fun to get out there and just go to an event and have some fun. So
do some car stuff.
It was a good night. Big ups to everyone who came and talked to us. It was wicked. I did want to get around and get some more filming of just the cars that were around in the pits and stuff, but then by the time we came in, it was Eliminations and all the fast cars were out on the track. So I tried to get a little bit of clips of Eliminations and stuff, but yeah, wicked night. Looking forward to coming back to a few more of these. Slam 35. Anyway, yeah, good fun. Cheers for watching as always, guys. See you on the next one. Peace out, see you, bye.